Hello. So today I'm going to share an app which I developed using Appsheet. So this is a application which I created for managing customers or the partners in Japan. So with this application, instead of using Sheet with our partner team, our partner team can install this application and start managing all the partners in Japan. So basically, it lists all all of the partners which are available along with their location on the map. So based on the map, also like Japan, wherever there are partners, PDMs and PSMs and PEs and other CE or somebody who wants to search it can find a partner in the details, and those partners can be added here as well, like different kind of information for new partners can be created along with status, and searches can be done with name and telephone. And basically this application works on okay, so this application works on web, as AppSheet do, so nothing special there. And I will show you on phone as well. So it is I have installed it on my phone, and basically if I go here and show you that the same application is available on the phone as well. So I can do searching, I can do addition, all the tasks, and then I can see on the map and also see a list of related data for the partners, and what kind of project or something they are working. So till now, partner team was using Sheet to manage this, which becomes more difficult, and so that's it. Thank you.